Welcome back. So this video is about how to replace badges on the car. I'm going to replace this one, which has got a little bit of marking, and the one round here, it's got loads of markings on, so I'm going to put fresh ones on, not just black but a bit of red, and hopefully I look a lot smarter than what that looks like. So the things you're going to need for this is some dental tape, masking tape, tar and glue remover, and the decals, and a nice microfiber. Right, so get the tape and line it up underneath the badge to make sure obviously it's going to be on the same line, so it's not going to be wonky. So you put one underneath and then put one either side, just so you know your left and the right, and basically you're going to make yourself a nice template so you can put it in between those spaces. So right, get the dental tape and pull yourself off probably about a foot length, just so you can wrap it around your fingers. And this is quite simple, just start from one edge and just get it under and just go up and down, just putting a very slight pressure, and it should pop off. It shouldn't be too difficult at all, to be honest, and it will leave some residue on the actual car which you're going to need to now get off. So you can peel a little bit with your fingers. I use my nail, but not dig too deep. You don't want to actually ruin the paint, but you can just sort of scrape some lumps off if you can. Obviously, the main glue on the backing you can get off with this stuff. This is a tar and glue remover from Auto Finesse. I find it quite good actually. So just spray it on, leave it for a little bit, sort of work it in, and you've got to do it a few times really, just to kind of get the main glue off of the paintwork. But you just keep working it very slowly, take the larger pieces off hopefully with your fingers, but other than that it should come off really nicely like it is here. So you want to heat up the area with a hairdryer. So I nicked this one, the missus was out, she had no idea, and what you need to do is heat up the back of the badge as well, because basically you don't want cold glue going to the car. So heat it up nice and warm, but obviously not burn it, don't get it too close. Line it up where you took the last one off, in between your template, and then just push it on firmly and heat the area up again with the hairdryer. Make sure the glue is really taken. You'll see it works so well when you heat it up with a hairdryer and nice and warm, or any sort of heat gun.